Welcome to Shastra for the science loving mind. Shastra Science Amazing Facts to Blow Your Mind. Episode 1. Hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water. Trained pigeons can tell the difference between the paintings of Pablo Picasso and Claude Monet. The Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. The peacock mantis shrimp can throw a punch at 50 miles per hour, accelerating quicker than a .22 caliber bullet. The sentence "the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog" uses every letter in the English language. Studies have shown that wild chimps in Guinea drink fermented palm sap, which contains about 3% alcohol by volume. The strongest muscle in the human body is the tongue. I am is the shortest complete sentence in the English language. Crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. The Chevrochen is an animal that looks like a tiny deer with fangs. Coca-Cola was originally green. Capuchin monkeys pee on their hands to wash their feet. The most common name in the world is Muhammad. Only the males are called peacocks. Females are called peahens. When the moon is directly overhead, you will weigh slightly less. Dragonflies and damselflies form a herd with their tails when they meet. There are only two words in the English language that have all 5 vowels in order: abstemious and facetious. Baby elephants suck their trunks for comfort. The name of all the continents end with the same letter that they start with. Tigers have stripped skin as well. Each pattern is as unique as a fingerprint. There are 2 credit cards for every person in the United States. There was once a type of crocodile that could gallop. Typewriter is the longest word that can be made using the letters only on one row of the keyboard. A grizzly bear's bite is strong enough to crush a bowling ball.